In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on Quantower. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Quantower app, and then at the top left, you want to click on their logo, and here it's going to open up these different templates. What you're going to look for is basically backtest, okay? So type in up here in the search box, backtest, like this, there we go, and it's going to give you an option which says backtest and optimize. So click on this, and here it's going to open up this panel. Click on select strategy, and then over here you of course can select your strategy. As you can see, you can upload your strategies into settings, scripts, and then strategies if you want to, but the default one is going to be the simple moving average cross strategy. So click on this one or any of the ones you want, and then you can double click on it, and here you'll be able to see you can basically backtest and start your backtest. So here you can customize pretty much anything. Over here you can put in all your information, and you can just go ahead and click on start new backtest whenever you are ready. Of course, for me it's not gonna work, so you're gonna have to put in a symbol at least or something. And in here, once you do that, for example like this, there we go, then you can start your new backtest, and as you can see, it's going to start backtesting, and whenever you are ready, click on stop backtesting, and this is basically how you backtest on Quantower. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.